Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CatCam Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also press bell icon to get my latest video. Thank you. Go to new file and select the inches. By default it is in mm. We are going to make a inches drawing, that is why I changed. Go to sketch and I show you the drawing which we are going to draw a 2D drawing. It has a circle, float and all. Go to line and draw the x-axis to parallel and y-axis to parallel. Make the line symmetry in x-axis and also make a symmetry in y-axis. It make a reference line. Go to circle that diameter is 3 and 1.125. Make a circle diameter of 3 and diameter of 1.125. Next what I will do is straight line and angle line and also again a straight line. And I'm going to make a dimensions from center to that line. Give a value for that, and one more dimension is there, and that's also we have to give. One dimension is wrongly drawn, as well as 1.25. Next one, your dimensions and the angle, and this is a 5.125. As well from center to end. It's a over constraint. We are going to delete. Yes, and the 1.7980 to be deleted. This angle dimension is 1.625. It has to be deleted. Over concern came by the dimensions. It has deleted. And then make a total dimension from whole center to that end, 7.125. Next what I will do is go to trim the line which we don't want, make a line and trim it extra portion. Go to finish sketch. Okay, go to the revolve and select the profile area and select the center line to make a revolve. We got the revolve. Control plus L, make a trim and extrude it. All has come. Then next one is I'm going to make a flat. For that I select that piece and I draw the line. I offset the line from the center. Dimension is 1.5 to 5 I think. Draw a center line. Already it's there. Give a value 1.525 divided by 2. Make a triangle roughly to extrude and subtract it. Select the connecting curve, subtract it, that both side flat has come. Next photo we'll do is that small flat. The dimension 0.502. For that I go to sketch and select name that face and draw the center line. Make it symmetry to the y-axis. To offset 0.562 divided by 2. Make it offset and make a roughly triangle as well. Like this. Finish sketch and go to dimension 7.125 minus to extrude. First value 0, second value is 7.125 minus 6.25 plus 0.5. Subtract, change the direction, click on OK. That the flat has come. Now we have to make that hole. Go to sketch, click on that face, and make a hole, center of that hole. Offset from that. Make a center and go to circle. Give a value of 0.5 diameter. Finish sketch and go to extrude extrude it. Almost we have completed the sketch. Okay, all dimensions is okay, I think. Okay guy, I hope you understand this drawing. If you like my video, like and subscribe. Thank you. We will see you in next video.